In this video, we're going to discuss the percentages. Percentages are a fraction of 100. We use percentages to compare quantities or grades of a student or stock exchange, the discount on a product. Like percentage make everything clear to or it's make it easy for us to communicate in the form of percentages. Let's say if a student has um, has 20 questions in his exam and he got 5 out of 20 got them right. So we need to use the percentage to tell them how much the grade he or she will get if he got them 5 out of 20 right. Let's say, how do we tell them? That's 5 over 20. And now we need to introduce our percentage symbol. And when we introduce something, we have to make a way to cancel it out too. So this over 100 will go into the symbol of this, and we can easily cancel this out. And you can say that 25%, you can say that 5 is the 25% of that 20 marks or questions that he got. Let's take another example to make the concept more clear to you, or you can say that how to represent x as a percentage of y. X is a fraction form or y is the whole amount. Let's say you have an area like this and you want to find this much area, or you want to um, use this much area for your plantation. Let's say you want to grow plants over here. What? And you have 25 meters of this whole area, and this is your 500 meters of this area. Let's say square meters. We need to use square meters to represent the areas. So how will you tell them that 25 out of 500 in the form of a percentage? So we are going to use a fraction, that's 25 over 500 times with 100 and divided with 100 again. This 100 will gonna cancel this out, and then you just need to cancel these terms and you got that 5% out, 5%, or you can say that 25 is the 5% of that whole 500 square meters of an area. Let's take another example to make the whole concept. Let's say you have a container. It has 250 liters of milk in it. And there is a cup inside it that can fill up to 15 liters of milk in it. You need to take out that 15 and give it to some client of yours or any customer that you got in that milk shop. Suppose it's in a milk shop. So how will you tell that 15 liters of 250 liters in the form of a percentage? We again use this fraction method. You can easily cancel this out. You can do all of the cancellation that you can easily make with this. That goes into the table of 5 and this will go into the table of 5. Where is 3? So you can say that that's 6%. Yeah, that's 6% of that whole 250%, or you can say that 15%, 15 liter is 6% of that 250 liters. So in this way, you get an idea how to form the percentages of quantities that are in the form of a fraction. That's all for today.